How to avoid enemy missiles in Gunship Battle. First of all, always watch the enemy radar. The game will give you alerts when missiles are coming, so pay attention to these warnings. Next, move your helicopter in different directions. Don't fly in a straight line because enemies can hit you easily. Fly side to side, go up or down, and make quick turns. You can also hover for a short time or loop around to avoid missiles while keeping your aim. It's also helpful to upgrade your helicopter's defense. Some helicopters have flares or shields that can stop enemy missiles. Use them at the right time to stay safe. Try to keep a safe distance from enemies that fire missiles. The farther you are, the more time you have to dodge. Use cover like buildings or terrain in missions to protect yourself. Finally, practice often. The more you play, the faster you will react and avoid missiles while still attacking enemies. Now you know how to avoid enemy missiles in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.